Hey, Welsh Dragon Metals here. Today I'll be showing the last part of the Paracetic acid gold recovery from SIM cards. So, there is the filtered material. You can see it's very golden. Many tiny microparticles. Don't expect to actually get much out of this as it is in an alloy form. But as you can see, it is extremely shiny and there is quite a bit of it. This is after 3 days of being inside of the paracetic acid solution, and all the SIM cards have been stripped, as you can see. There's no gold plating whatsoever left upon them, and there's the paracetic acid filtering away there from the filtering coffee filter, which is in there. So pretty simple setup, and as you can see, the results are also not that bad, quite shiny. I will post the results of this, any weight and some close-ups also in the thumbnail and on my Instagram and Twitter, so check that. There will be links in the description of this video. Well, see you in the next gold recovery.